Hi, everybody. Just wanted to give you your midweek announcement for week 7. We are working on part 2 of the HIPCO issues, habitat, invasive species, pollution, climate change, and overharvest. And you're working on the second part of that this week. You have your choice of presentation of discussion topics. You can either introduce us to a HIPCO issue that's right in your backyard. Be sure to provide a video that's specific to your area and tells us, what is this HIPCO issue that's happening, and what are the different factors around it. Or you can talk about a fishery and how we manage it, and that usually relates to the overharvest part of HIPCO. But who knows? Maybe you'll find a new angle. Next week is your spring break, and even though we are in online class, and even you will still have a spring break. So we don't have any modules for next week. So I recommend one of 3 things for you to work on. 1, sit back, relax, and take a much needed little bit time off. 2, you can work on your citizen science project. Some of you have projects that haven't quite kicked in yet, but if you have one that has, use this time for that. And 3, and the most common thing people do, is use this time to get together with your group and work on your group project. Remember that I'm happy to take a look at any drafts that you have of your group project. It does not have to be perfect. Just so that I have an idea of sort of where you're going and what you're doing. I'm happy to look at it and let you know, sort of, give you back some comments on your group project. So please don't hesitate to send something my way. The group project is due 2 weeks after spring break. So spring break is a perfect time to be working on that. Other than that, office hours are by appointment this week, and I will be available next week over spring break, so don't hesitate to send an email. And if you would like to schedule a meeting with me, I'm happy to do that as well next week. So I hope everybody enjoys the rest of this week, week 7 of our class, and have a great spring break. And I will see you on the other side.